Hey there, it's Ben, the waterfall guy. Today I'm in my favorite place in Nova Scotia. I'm in the Breton Highlands. Took the Crowdis Mountain Road for a while, then turned off onto like a secondary logging road, drove a ways, and now I'm walking off of it. So today's plan is going to be to follow this logging road I'm on for maybe half a kilometer, and then the bushwhacking will begin. Where am I? Well, I'm in the upper reaches of the North Branch Baddeck River. First, I'm going to follow a tributary. I saw a fall or two, or what looked like falls, and then I'm going to hit the North Branch Baddeck River. And from the satellite imagery, it looks like two pretty good sized falls right next to each other, not very far from here. So wish me luck. I love walking in these types of forests on top of the highlands and the plateau. If hasn't been logged for a while, you get these nice stands of hardwoods, and as you can see, it's open, so it's so easy to travel. I mean, I bushwhack a lot on the eastern shore because I live close to it, and that's brutal. This is just a treat. Love it. So from the logging road, I cut across, met a tributary, and I'm following it down to the North Baddeck. There's a secondary tributary which I had marked to follow up for about 200 meters. I think I see a fall. Anyways, I think I found another one here. I don't think it's the one I marked. It's quite gorgeous, about 15 foot. Here it is, deep pool right at the foot. Like I said, often, Breton Island is the Shangri-La of waterfalls. It's like shooting fish in a barrel. There's so many. So this is the spot I had seen on the tributary of the tributary. Nice, I don't know, 30-foot fall here. Nobody's been to it probably in ever, maybe if there was some logging around, but it's pretty deep. You could literally stand there, that's a little bathtub, and you'd have water like 180 degrees around you. Quite nice. So I've been following this tributary for about a kilometer now, and this is the terminal fall before it reaches the North Baddeck River. Maybe 15 foot, but deep pool. I'm sure there's lots of fish in here. So classic waterfall exploration when nobody's been to where you're at. I thought back there was that fall that I expected on the tributary, and that was it. But actually the nicest fall is right in front of me. It just goes through a cleft and just drops. I can't really see the end. I'll try to show you with the GoPro. So I made it down a little couloir here to the right of the fall if you're facing the fall. Quite easy to get down to. As you get close to the fall itself, it's more cliffy. Let's have a look here. It's probably the first time this has been on a video ever. So here it is, presenting a tributary to the North Branch Baddeck River Fall. Or I don't know, Ben's Folly, let's say. All right, so it's not the tallest fall around, but it's quite scenic. It'd definitely be book worthy. So I've made my way down the North Branch Baddeck River. This is where I thought it could be some falls. The satellite imagery looked good. There's some white spots that were kind of long, but I think they're just the rapids with lots more water. But that's the thing with exploration, so you never know. I did find a few falls that weren't expected upstream, so I'm happy about that. This here on the main river, no falls, but still pretty scenic and nice river and all. I'm going to go around this bend here, one last place. Hopefully there's a fall there. So I went around the bend, and this is what I found here. I mean, I can't believe I saw that on satellite imagery, but just downstream is a cool little canyon, and I'll try to go around it, see it from the upside. I'll show you with the GoPro.